Okay, this topic links to the IB Higher Level Option 7 Statistics, and in particular laws of expectation and variance of discrete random variables. If we go to page 1.3, we see the distribution. We've got a random variable here with values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and probabilities as shown. Sum of the probabilities equals 1. And it's this page where we have a chance of playing around with a linear multiplier and a translation of B. So, at the moment, the graph is showing the distribution we saw a moment ago in green, and the distribution in green has a mean of 3.6 and a variance of 2.24. By changing the value for B, we can move the whole distribution to the right. And so if I change that to be B plus 4, you can see that the mean has increased by 4, but the variance has remained unchanged. And so students can quite quickly see that just adding on a constant does not change the spread of the data. We can reduce it back and go into negatives as well, but every time we pass through the original distribution, it changes back to the original green. If we change the multiplier from A is 1 to 2, and 2 to 3, 3 to 4, you can start to see the distribution spreads out quite rapidly. And we can see the effect that it might have on the variance. Again, if we reduce the variance down to 0, you can see that to get from this variance to that variance, we've multiplied up by a factor. It looks approximately 16, which has come from 4 squared. And if we were to change it to 5, that would be 25 times that to give you here. So students can very quickly see why the variance is affected so much by the multiplier A. You can go back and change any of the parameters of the distribution and explore this phenomenon for any other discrete distribution with however many bars. We're done.